Hello Philippines! Greetings here in Oklahoma City. Happy birthday Pastor Raymond, and thank you so much sa imuhang pag-alagad sa Ginoo sa pag-share sa gospel dito sa Bahada, dito sa Moa, ug anang daghan kaayo ang nagka-interesado, nag-join ako mga uncle that I never expected. God is really good. And anyway, I'm here to say thank you and happy birthday. Wish you have more birthday to come and good health to you and to your family and the people surrounded you. I hope you enjoy your day today and happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Pastor Raymond Arcelon. God bless you always and your family. Padayon ng ta sa pagpangalagad sa Ginoo samtang buhi pata ng kalibutan na. Salamat sa mga prayers. O happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Pastor!
Happy birthday, Pastor. Continue in the work of the Lord. Your work in the Lord is not in vain. God bless. I miss you.
We pray for
Happy
your ministry.
birthday! Happy birthday!
Bye!
Bye!
Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Pastor Nonoy. God bless you and your family.
Good morning, Pastor Noy, Uncle Noy. Today is your birthday. All I can say is padayon sa ministry nga gi-entrust sa Ginoo sa imuha. And we are praying for you always, no? Together with my family and your family also. May God continue to bless your life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pastor Arcelon! God bless you more from BDN Marsa family!
It's March 1st and it's time for another birthday. I hope everything will continue to be as wonderful as it is the previous 40 years. Okay, Pastor, good luck. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Pastor. Maligayang pati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang pati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pastor. You're a great person. You're amazing and you're so very kind. This is greetings coming from the Valiant family. Happy birthday to you.
Good day, Pastor. First of all, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Keep going sa pag-share sa gospel sa mga students, teachers, and even sa community. We're praying for your good health and protection. God bless po always.
Good day, Sir Raymond. Happy advance, happy birthday. May mga ugma pohon. March 1. Enjoy your day. Salamat kayo, Pastor, sa tangan mo kaayo sa mga bersikulo ngayon mong gi-share sa mga sa matag adlaw nga mag-open ka sa mga klase sa mga padayon sa mga programayo. Pastor, salamat.
Happy birthday, Pastor Nonoy!
Pray, Pastor, na ang Ginoo padayon mo bless sa imuha, sa imong pamilya o sa imong ministry. Happy birthday!
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones and may you live for 1,000 years.